everyone! Marhaban! I'm in Babibu land. Me and Boo are in my living room enjoying some delicious strawberries. فراولة.
Marhaban kids, I miss you a lot. Babi, I'm craving for pancakes.
What type of pancake are you craving, Boo? The other day I found out there are a lot of types of pancakes from around the world.
Really? Is there any type of pancakes where I can put candies as a topping?
Boo, I don't know. Let's find out together.
Tell me all about them. Can you please? Min fadlik. Please. Can you tell me the types of pancakes around the world?
Yes! Some are thin, رفيع. Some are thick, غليظ. رفيع, غليظ. Some are sweet, حلو. Some are savory, مالح. Some are crispy, مقرمش. Some are soft, butty, مقرمش, butty. One thing for sure, that pancakes are so tasty, لذيذ, no matter where they're from. The French pancakes are sweet, حلو, and savory, مالح, and it's called crepe. You can use chocolate sauce and cream, قشطة, or fruit, فواكه, as a topping, or veggies, خضار, and they eat it any time of the day. American or Canadian, eaten mainly with maple syrup or honey, عسل, or Nutella with fruits like strawberry, and they eat it on breakfast. The Syrian pancakes are called الزائيات, also known as سيالات. They are eaten as a dessert, and it has many toppings and filling, such as sugar, سكر, walnut, juz, cinnamon, قرفة. There are also many other pancakes around the world, like pancakes from Yemen called الحوح, pancakes from Turkey called شزلمة, pancakes from Sudan called قراسة, pancakes from India called dosa.
I'm so amazed. That sounds so interesting. I wish I can eat them all in my tummy.
For now, Boo, you can choose one type of pancake and we'll search for the recipe together. And guess what? We get to make the recipe in our next video! Can't wait!
Yay! That's so exciting. Kids, help me choose one type of pancake and let me know if you have other pancakes in your culture we did not mention. I would love to hear from you. All of you.
There are many pancakes and they might be similar, but each pancake is totally unique in its own way. Just like us. We come from different countries here and there, but at the end of the day, we are all human beings.
Beautiful. Yes, so true. We are all human beings.
I enjoy learning new Arabic words with you, like رفيع, غليظ, حلو, مالح, مقرمش, طري, قشطة, فواكه, خضار, سكر, عسل, جوز, وقرفة. If you want to watch more of our fun videos and watch all of our activities, all you have to do is type Babibu Babibu in the YouTube search box and you will find us. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to see all of our upcoming videos. You can also find us on Instagram. Bye. Stay tuned. See you later. إلى اللقاء يا أصدقاء. Bye.
Bye.